Elon Musk is a billionaire entrepreneur and visionary who is widely known for co-founding Tesla Motors, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. He was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. Musk started his entrepreneurial journey in the 1990s by co-founding web software company Zip2, which was eventually sold for almost $300 million. He then went on to co-found X.com, which later became PayPal, and was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. With the proceeds from these two ventures, Musk went on to pursue his ambitious goals in the fields of clean energy, space exploration, and artificial intelligence. At Tesla Motors, Musk has been instrumental in developing electric vehicles that are affordable and practical for everyday use, as well as creating solar energy solutions for homes and businesses. SpaceX is working towards making space travel more affordable and accessible, with the ultimate goal of establishing a human colony on Mars. Neuralink aims to create a brain-machine interface that can help treat neurological disorders and enhance human intelligence. And the Boring Company is working on developing underground transportation solutions to ease traffic congestion in cities. Musk has been recognized for his innovative work with numerous awards and honors, including being named one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people in the world multiple times. Despite his successes, Musk has also faced criticism and controversy for some of his statements and actions, particularly on social media.